How's it going, everyone? I want to do a quick update on GWAV because they just released a news saying GWAV technology, Green Wave technology files for 27.6 million common stock offering. So it's going to go down coming up next week. And honestly, though, guys, we already hit our price targets. We were already at the EMA 10, and we always say once we hit that EMA 10, we usually get a rejection. And if you guys don't know my strategy, the EMA 10 is this yellow band here. The EMA 5 is the purple, and the EMA 20 is a longer term targets. That's your light blue. Those are your targets. So when price hits that, you always scale out just because this is what algos do. They hit it, they release some news, and then the price goes down, and it's just pennies stocks all the time. So with my system, I want to look for price always under the EMA 5. I would never buy it if it's, let me show you an example. I never buy it if it's like over here we go above the EMA 5. Right in here we go above the EMA 5, but you see how it drops and it acts as resistance. But then we finally are going to hit the EMA 10, and I was eyeing this for that type of trade, and you could have made well over 152 to 187, well over 10 to 20% gains there, and then it goes back down, right? But it's all about entries. We're not here to marry this company. We know this is not a good company. We're just here to trade it, right? So with the system, we're going to look at the trend channel here. What is the trend here on a shorter time frame? And we're not surprised why we would take entries here and we would sell at the EMA 5, and why we take entries here and then sell at the EMA 5, and then eventually the 10 is the longer term target. We knew the 10 was going to get hit because the last time we touched the EMA 10 was way back in 528. So May 28th, anything that don't touch the EMA 10 in over 1 month is extremely rare. So we touched it in July 11th. So 528 to 628. And as you could see, this was a month in like 2 weeks time frame. That is very long. And we had massive, we had pretty good distance with a trend channel touch here. Massive distance to the 10. It was a nice solid, I would have took out right in here. 10%. That's all you need, right? If you keep compounding your account, 10%, 10%, 10%, it adds up. If you do 10 trades in 1 month, your account grew 100%. And then, with larger money, you can just keep growing it faster. So GWAV, I'm definitely not bullish till a lower trend channel right in here. With this news, we might get it. And then also, I will say, though, guys, we are due for an EMA 20 touch here soon. If you look at the EMA 20, the light blue band, the last time we touched it, and it always has to, it always will, I don't care how bad the company is, we will touch the EMA 20. So on 528 was the last time we touched it. We're getting close to 2 months. So do keep that in mind. I will look for this trade, 3 weeks time frame. I would look for this to be touched in about 3 weeks. So do keep that EMA 20 in target. We are due for that. But this is GWAV. I think we're going to get an entry here eventually here, right around here. Let's see if we get this entry. It's going to fluctuate a little. As you can see, each day that goes by, we go from 146 to 145. So maybe in the 140s or upper 130s, I would see an entry here. So do keep this one on watch, guys. This is GWAV. We played this one before in the Discord. And it's been very well. And you just got to keep in mind, the system, works. You just got to trust it. We never buy above at the upper band, as that is a sell zone. A lot of people get caught up into that. And we try to look for our best setups, which is the ATR 4. When price tends to touch this, you usually have a massive bull move. And look at this massive bull move up to the EMA 20. That's the kind of candle we want to see. We don't care what happens after that. Once it does that, we're out, and it can go down and do whatever it wants. So yeah, this is GWAV. Well, how much volume are we getting on the day on this one? I know we had tons of volume, but now it kind of died out. GWAV, we're getting 382,000. It's not really a lot of volume, so I definitely would like to see a perfect setup on this one. But I'll let you guys know in the Discord when I see it. Like I said, we played it before. We played this one on this candle right here. I looked to get the EMA 5 touch. This was the candle that touched it, right? This big candle here. And look how it rejected it. You know, it touches it and rejects it. And the reason why I played it is because the last time we touched the EMA 5 was on this candle. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This was the 7th candle of not touching it. And look at the gain potential we had from the EMA 5. And, you know, and of course, what do? We hit it and reject it. We hit the EMA 5 and then we go down. We hit the bottom trend, we go up to touch the 10, and now the mission is complete, and now we look for our next target. So yeah, do keep that in mind. This strategy is amazing. I back tested it for over 6 years. It has an over 95% win ratio. There's proof with it. It's one of the best systems for buying bottom trend reversals over undervalued stocks, and always selling it at the targets we like it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be in the description, and in the comments will be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. It's an amazing community, guys. I promise you, you will be profitable if you follow the alerts. If you follow the system, you don't get FOMO, you don't chase. You look exactly like, okay, you know, are we under the EMA 5? You know, if we're not, then we don't even take the trade. Is there time distance to the EMA 10 and 20? Or is there time distance to the EMA 5? Like when I played this trade with the Discord, we accumulated these candles here, and we took the profits all the way up in here. It was well over 20% gains. We take the 10% and we move on. And that's kind of the situation what we had right in here. A nice trade here. We touch the bottom trend channel and we zoom up to the 10, and you're making 20 to 30% right on that move. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you guys in the Discord. Like I said, if you want the services, head on over to Server Shop on the top left. You will see I offer 2 services at a very low cost with extremely high win ratios. And I'm not here to try to make you a millionaire, but I will say you will be profitable, and the more your account grows, the more you'll make. So Swing Trading Plus is $6 a month. Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month. That is the A plus service here, as the Day in Swing Trading gets access to everything. You get access to all the future education, private sessions, live streams. That's right, I do live streams now, and you guys can see my actual trades, my chart, how I look for stocks, and ask any questions. Day trades have been an absolute bomber. We've been up over 300%, close to that, in over a month time frame, and it's been just insane. I think this is a really nice strat. Not to brag, but I really think this really takes the guesswork out. So hope to see you guys there. And if you do subscribe, do it on computer. It is slightly cheaper than doing it on your phone because you'll be charged an iOS fee. Just to see what you guys are gonna get. You're gonna get the day trade alerts that look like this. This one alert alone was a Mara call at 57. Went all the way to 80 cents. This is well over 40% gain, and it went even higher. And that was literally in what, 10 minutes time frame. 10:48 a.m., 10:56 a.m., and then bam. I'm telling you, the day trades are freaking fire. RTK live stream, RTK journal. You get to see my active trades, alerts, and all that with the win ratio. And then swing trade alerts right in here, and you get to see all my stuff, guys. Hope to see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to join the Discord, I can guarantee you will be profitable as long as you follow this strategy, as it has the data, it's back tested. But I will be looking for GWAV. I will be looking for a bottom trend channel. I will be looking for the EMA 20 touch and some more time distance from the 10 and the 5. And as of right now, we have 1 day away from the EMA 5. So let's get a little farther down, and we'll go from there, guys. All right, peace out, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all, and let's have a happy trading next week.